Welcome to this video explaining two-factor authentication, or 2FA, simply and clearly. Passwords alone are often not enough for security. Hackers can guess simple passwords, and people often reuse the same one. A single mistake can compromise your data. 2FA is the solution. It adds a second layer of security, requiring two things to log in: your password and a special code. There are three main factors used for authentication: something you know, something you have, and something you are. 2FA uses a combination of any two of these. Something you know is the most common factor, typically a password, PIN code, or a secret question. Something you have uses a physical object, such as your smartphone, a USB security key, or a physical ID card. Something you are uses your unique body features, known as biometrics, to verify your identity. Common examples include fingerprint scans, face recognition, and voice ID. Think of 2FA like a bank vault. It needs a key and a code. If you only have one, the door stays shut. 2FA works the same way for your digital accounts. Here is how 2FA works. You enter your username and password, then the system asks for a second code. When you provide the second factor, your identity is confirmed and access is granted. 2FA is highly effective, blocking 99% of bulk attacks, and it costs nothing to enable. It stops almost all automated hacking attempts. Common 2FA methods include an SMS text code sent to your phone, authentication apps like Google Authenticator, or physical security keys like a small USB device.